Good day. I am Lendime N. Rodrigo and I am affiliated in University of Negros Occidental Recoletos Integrated School, grades 11 and 12. I live in Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, and I am currently taking up Masters of Arts in Education major in Filipino. And I am presenting you today the learning interest and academic achievement of grade 12 students in Philippine literature in a private university. It is perceived that Philippine literature occupies a central position within the academic curriculum, fostering a deep understanding of the nation's social and political landscape. This rich tapestry of works encompasses traditional folktales, historical narratives, and contemporary accounts, comprehensively exploring the Filipino experience, according to Acosta et al. 2023. Interest is a potent motivating factor that propels education and directs students' academic and professional paths. Brininger and Heady 2016. Teachers search for methods and techniques that best suit their classes, from motivation to assessment, because they are driven to educate. Costo et al. 2023. Another finding relates to students' disdain or lack of interest in their literary classes, particularly the one on Philippine literature. Phileton 2023 observed that senior high school during the second semester of the academic year in all strands, certain works of Filipino literature are difficult for 11th grade senior high school students to learn and comprehend. Their performance tasks and written task scores have decreased, suggesting that some competencies have not been developed and are now challenging. In a private university in the central Philippines, the researcher observed that most grade 12 students are less interested in Philippine literature, which can sometimes affect their academic achievement. In addition, learning literature did not seem interesting to students because literature teachers teach traditionally, according to Awalaju 2016. And according to Acosto et al. 2023, another finding was that young Filipinos were less motivated and interested in learning more about the nation's rich past through its literary works. And for the research gap, there are studies on Philippine literatures in the Philippines and a study of Acosta et al. 2023, Barles et al. 2023, Cement 2014, Rita 2012, Prasetyo et al. 2020, Jepketer, Combo, and Pialo 2015. On studies on Another studies on learning interest in the Philippines, the studies of Brininger and Heady 2016, Barlis et al. 2023, Cement 2014, and Temporal 2018. Similar studies on academic achievement on Kelaton 2023, studies of Novak 2016, and Medopen, Abubakar, Adebayo, Enoch, and Sulaiman 2015. There has been a dearth of literature on Philippine literature, learning interest, and academic achievement, and the correlation of the variables, most especially in a private university. This is the research gap which the study would like to fill in. For the rationale descriptive problems to assess the learning interest of grade 12 students in Philippine literature in a private university during the school year 2023 to 2024, when they are taken as a whole and a group according to sex and strand. Also, assess their level of academic achievement in the areas of literary work and appreciation of literary text. Inferential problems, the difference in their learning interest when grouped according to sex and strand. The difference in their academic achievement when grouped according to sex and strand. And the difference in their learning interest and academic achievement when grouped according to sex and strand. For their utilization is the proposed Philippine literature instructional material. For the methods of design, descriptive, correlational approaches. Respondents, grade 12 students enrolled under the subject of Philippine literature during the school year 2023-2024, a stratified random sampling of 100 grade 12 students. And for the instruments, learning interest, researchers made questionnaire will be utilized in assessing the study. It consists of 30 items spread across two areas: the importance of Philippine literature and the understanding of the Philippine literature. In terms of the actual questionnaire, it will contain two parts. Part 1 will present the objective of the study, the profile of the respondents. Part 2 contains the 30 items that elicit the learning interest of grade 12 students in Philippine literature. Lastly, the instrument shall be responded to using the following scale of responses in ascending order: 1. Very low; 2. Low; 3. Neither high nor low; number 4, high; and number 5 is very high. And for the methods, for the data collection, permission to use the instruments, consent, and approval to conduct the survey, adherence to health protocols, and orientation to the respondents. For the data analysis, for the descriptive problems, mean and standard deviation. For the inferential tools will be determined after the conduct of normality tests. And for the ethical considerations, social value, informed consent, vulnerability of the participants, risks and benefits, privacy and confidentiality, justice, transparency, researchers' qualification, adequacy of facilities, and community involvement. And for the reference cited, according to the study, these are the reference cited: the first page, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one. And that's all. Thank you for listening.